Hi guys, welcome back to our video, or channel. So today we're gonna do slime. So we got 1 cup of water.
We got our borax.
And we're gonna just put in a tablespoon.
And I'm gonna flip the video up right so that you can see the bowl.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put the tablespoon in, the 1 cup, and then you're just gonna mix it until there are no more little like particles of the borax. Do you want to mix it while I tap this?
And this is gonna make
So you're just gonna mix it, and it's like foggy right now, and you can still see some of the borax in it. So you're just gonna keep mixing it until you don't. Okay, so we got our glue, and it's just Jot white glue from the dollar store. Comes in a 2-pack, by the way, for $1. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna empty, I mean you can do all of it or you can do however much you want, into a bowl. Yeah, you have to pop it out. So this one has like a thing so the glue doesn't spill, which is really nice of them. Or you can do it that way. Okay, and we'll show you our bowls.
Smells like glue. You doing your hole?
Yeah, I might as well, right?
Alright.
Actually, should we leave a little bit for your brother after?
Well, you pretty much have mine.
Oh, true. I don't know if he wanted to make his own. Also, if you can't get all the glue out, you're gonna have to add water anyway, so you can just put the water in your glue bottle and like mix it around.
Jeez.
This is so satisfying.
A cat. Jeez.
We might speed this up a little bit because this is getting really long.
Yeah, mine's not coming out anymore.
Alright, so if you aren't getting anything left, so like mine pretty much there's nothing left. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill your cup about 1/4 of a way, I would say. So I'm just gonna add some water. And it doesn't matter the temperature of the water. So my water's about up to there. I'm just gonna put the cover back on and shake up the glue. Oh, my hands are all wet. I don't know like this. So just shake it up.
Where's the water coming from? This doesn't make any sense.
And then once you're satisfied, you're just gonna pour the water into your cup. All right, now here comes the part where you can either use your hands.
Too much water.
No, you're good. You're good. Where you can either use your hands or a spoon. I'm just gonna use my hands because you know what?
Oh. Spoon.
Oh yeah, I'll just use a spoon. That's fine.
Oh, wait, we might have extra plastic. Yeah. Well, where are the plastics?
All right, so we got our spoons. You're just gonna mix it up. I might not have enough water. You kind of.
Are you sure?
Yes, mine's a little thick.
I think
Profanity.
I have too much. I swear I have too much.
No.
Look how watery it is.
You just gotta
mix it together.
You just gotta mix. Let me feel yours.
Too much.
No, just makes it good. See how yours is like clumpy like? No, yours is actually really good. That's good. Mine's not enough. So since mine's not enough, I'm just gonna add some more water. Oh fuck. I didn't add too much. It just kind of spilled all over the place into the sink. Now it's really bubbly. But that's okay. And yes, we are mixing it. Oh, shoot.
So you can see an effect. It's getting there.
And the more you stir it, the better off it'll be. Also, mine has some bubbles, which won't affect it right now or ever, but like it might sound like really poppy when you go and like squeeze your slime. That's all.
It's too droopy.
No, it's not. I promise you, I've done this a lot. It's not
It's
too
like
droopy.
glue.
It's not though. It will turn into slime.
Alright, so now we're gonna add our borax. And what we're gonna do is,
That's our borax.
yeah, it's the borax water solution with like the 1 cup.
Why don't you guys just
Water.
do saline?
You mean like eyedrop?
Yeah, saline.
Okay, so when you take it, you're just gonna add 1 thing of borax at a time because you don't want to overdo the borax. You'd rather have not enough to start with than too much.
So like this much?
Yep, just a spoonful for now. And see how it instantly starts to turn a little bit? And like the more you mix it,
Better?
the better. You feel it clumping?
Yeah.
See, it's like clumping. Oh, this lighting, man. Oh,
Turn on the lights.
yeah, can you? I guess that's good. Not really, but that's okay. No, actually, no. Wait, fuck off. Yes,
He was
there
gonna
you go.
Yeah.
Okay. So obviously we need to add more borax because it's not enough. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add 2 this time because I know that's not gonna be enough.
Is it so watery?
No, just because there's a lot of slime here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, by the way.
Okay, there we go.
Yep. So now you really want to stir it. Because now it's like really clumping.
Yeah. Oh, this is so nasty. Oh my god.
Oh, wait till you have to handle it.
I'm not handling this.
Emma, you have
I'm not
to.
a baby, but I don't like this.
Okay. So once you get into it, like, so this is what it looks like, but there's still a lot of liquid, so I'm going to continue to stir it, and pretty soon I'm going to start kneading with my hands. And what you want is you want it to be peeling all the glue off on the sides. That's the goal you want. And make sure you don't overdo borax because you can't undo
As I just
borax.
poured a bunch more in.
No, you need more.
Yeah,
But, like,
it's not like clumping really.
Is it like this?
Yeah, in one little area.
Yeah, you just kind of gotta like knead it together. This is so satisfying. I love it.
Oh, that's funny. It's not.
Yes, Emma. You just gotta add more borax. You're fine.
This much.
Yeah. Just pour it all in. Yeah, as Emma's brother just said, you can tell she's never made slime.
No,
It's alright. There's a first for everything.
I don't plan to make it ever again. Because this is nasty.
I like slime. So I actually have made it before, by the way. Oh my goodness, this is not going good.
No, it's not. Mine's a little better.
Jesus.
Maybe this glue just sucks.
No, it doesn't because I've used this glue before.
Oh.
Yeah, they do prefer you to use Elmer's glue, but that's expensive. Or you can get 2 bottles for $1. Yours is coming good. Show the viewers.
It's pretty much all mixed. Ew.
Now, this is when you want to use your hands. I'm sorry, but you have to. Because you do not want to add any more borax.
Okay, so my brother's gonna step in for me, and he's gonna start mixing it.
With his hands. No, only use your hands. Don't add any more borax.
It's nasty.
You just want to knead it together.
Ew.
And you can add... No, I think you have enough borax, to be honest.
That's disgusting.
Why?
Ew.
Also, you can add, like, shaving cream to it. You can add lotion to it. Just, like, different things to it to, like... Yeah, yours is... So show them what his looks like. So now just start, like, pulling it apart and, like, kneading it together. Alright, I'm using my hands because I don't even care.
It feels so nice though. It's satisfying.
Oh, I know. I love it.
Emma hates this stuff.
So
Mine is like
sick.
hard though. I wish it was squishy.
I think Emma put a little too much borax in, but we're not gonna tell her that. She's not even over here. She's fighting with her mom.
Fighting.
Fighting.
Yeah, they're not beating each
Sounds
other
weird.
up, obviously. That doesn't sound good. And now just keep
Oh god.
eating it.
This isn't
Alright.
the best type because it like rips.
Yeah, you want to put lotion in it to make it not rip, which you can do later on. Okay. You're gonna do that right now? Alright. We'll be back to you when we're all done. So we're gonna add some lotion because he wants to make his stretchy. So that's what we're gonna do. And Emma won't touch it because she does not like it.
I don't want to touch it.
You just touch it once.
I'm good.
Just a
You
couple.
have to.
They want the stretchy.
Oh, once.
Don't use a lot of that candy.
Yeah, don't use a lot. You don't want it to be. You don't want it to be overpowering. Jeez Louise. Just touch it once. Come on.
Fine. Don't touch. Don't.
It's getting
No, I'm not
I
touching
won't
it
do it.
again.
Emma, I won't do it. I promise.
It's getting squishier.
Yeah, you think?
I'm gonna wash my hands and then do it again because
No. You have to work it into it. I think you put a little too much. I'm not gonna lie, but like,
nah. I think it's good.
Sam, it's falling apart. It's not good.
Well, I want it like that. I don't want it like squid like hard.
Oh my God, Sam, look how much you put in it.
Oh,
Alrighty, I'm gonna try.
nice.
Mine is actually not really falling
I'm gonna
apart.
try and pick up the rest off the inside of my bowl. And you know it's good when you have some on your hand and it peels it off for you. That's when you know your slime has. It's been good.
Mine is definitely really squishy now.
Yeah, just keep working it and it'll get better. Okay guys, so this is Emma's finished slime. It is so nice and stretchy. Put a lot of lotion in it. So that's that one. And then this is mine, and Sam is trying to get it a little more squishy, so we put some lotion in it. That's why it looks weird. But yeah, this is just the finished slime. So
They're looking pretty nasty, but I gotta admit, they look cool, but I would never really want to touch it.
yeah, she's afraid of them. Like, ready?
Like, I don't want that on it.
Okay, good. Alright, we're gonna end the video here. Make sure you,
Subscribe and like to our channel.
and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.